In this video, we are going to talk about a few concepts related to object-oriented design. Top-down design is a structural programming methodology. The common approach is to use divide and conquer strategy to solve a problem in terms of small subproblems. OO design is new to the OO programming language. The three elements related to OO design are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Encapsulation is to combine data operation inside one object. Encapsulation can be achieved through information hidden and abstraction. For example, if we use a private for the data member or method, we could control the access to high detail of inner data of the class. Access protection is important for supporting encapsulation needed for abstract data type. Inheritance promotes code reusability. For example, a class can inherit the variables and methods of another class. It can keep those it wants and replace those it doesn't. For example, we could create a new class called student that extends the current class person by adding a few new variables like student ID and methods. Private methods and private viewed data members cannot be inherited in subclass. We could use superclass reference to point to subclass objects. Use of a subclass object in the place of a superclass object is an example of polymorphism. During compilation time, compiler does not know which methods from the object are used. Only can be determined at execution time. Top-down design focuses on finding all the procedures or operations. For example, all the applications can be thought in terms of input, process, output. Actually, all the applications can be seen as a collection of objects which are working together to provide services, to provide functionalities. The purpose of object-oriented design is to find all the objects inside the system and the collaborations. During OO design phase, normally we use UML, Unified Modeling Language, to draw the design documentation. The detailed design technique will be covered in the 3506 Introduction to Software Engineering course. Here is one example to show how we could do OO design. Suppose we are asked to create ATM machine which allows user to retrieve the account information, deposit money, transfer money between accounts, and check balance. Based on the requirement specification description on the system, we could try to find out all the nouns which are potential classes. And then we can find those verbs which represent the behavior of the classes. And then we can use the class diagram to donate each class and the relationships.